Hi Alex, good start to the season so far. How do you think things have gone?
Yeah, since pre-season, we've had some good results against some top-notch Prem team sides, teams from other leagues as well. And coming into the season, not the best performances against Condidno, but we take a point away from home there because they'll be our rival team this year. And then when we followed on from there, back-to-back wins, couldn't really ask much more from the lads. We've been top class, and we'll expect the same Friday and Monday.
You must be pleased with your performances. Top scorer at the minute, aren't you?
Not surprised, but yeah. No, yeah.
You're doing really well.
No, cheers. No, I'm really enjoying my football at the moment, and can't wait to just keep it going, keeping the run going.
Yep. We've got 2 games in quick succession now. Local derby on Friday night against Conwy, and then we're playing Mold Alex on the bank holiday Monday. What are your thoughts on those games?
As long as we do what we do week in, week out, and we prepare properly for the games, I don't think we'll have any issues. As long as we perform, we should take all 6 points from the 2 games.
Okay, all the best for the 2 games, and see you on Friday night.
Well, thanks.
All right.